How to reset Windows 10 without losing data. If your Windows 10 PC is running slowly or acting up, resetting it can help restore performance. The good news is, you can reset your system without losing your personal files. Here's how to do it step by step. Start by opening the Start menu and clicking on the Settings icon, a small gear icon. From there, go to Update and Security. In the left sidebar, click on Recovery. Under the section labeled Reset this PC, you'll see a button that says Get Started. Click on it to begin the reset process. A new window will appear asking how you want to reset your PC. Choose the option that says Keep My Files. This will remove apps and settings, but will keep your personal files such as documents, pictures, and videos. Windows will then display a summary of what will be removed. Click Next, and finally, click Reset. Your computer will restart and begin the reset process. Make sure your device is plugged in during this time, as the reset could take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour depending on your system. Once the reset is complete, Windows will reboot and walk you through the initial setup again, just like when you first got your computer. After logging in, you'll notice a fresh installation of Windows with your personal files still intact. And that's it! You've successfully reset Windows 10 without losing your data.